Very exciting news here. So without further ado, I am going to unbox this package from Amazon. It's still cold because I just got it from outside. This is the Seiko Presage SRPF53. So we are going to do a full unboxing here. I have never before seen this. This is the Seiko box. I bought this off of Amazon. I had a $200 Amazon gift card, and it was actually on sale, so it wasn't the full $525 price. It was actually cost me like $213 after tax, and then using my Amazon card, I got 5% back, so not bad. I think it was on sale for like $393 was the price before tax, so I used my gift card, and that seemed to work. But here we go. This is the SRPF53 full unboxing from Amazon, and this is, along with my Notice, my second blue watch that I have, my third Seiko. So here we go. The box looked like it has been opened before, so I hope this is not damaged in any way. I'm going to flip it over. So we can see on the bottom, we have got the registration, the certificate of limited warranty. Without further ado, we're going to open up, if we can, open up this box. One-handed, sort of tough. All right, so we open it up two-handed. So, Seiko box. The Presage line, before I even touch this and actually look at the dial here, as I'm pretty excited. The Presage line is, that I would say intro, the lower level luxury line, at least in my opinion. So you have the cocktail times, you have the Japanese garden collection here, which this Seiko SRPF is. There was a sister Seiko SRPF53, I believe, the matcha dial, that was a little bit more rare, and of course didn't get that one. But these watches are just unbelievably gorgeous here. So I want to take out the watch. It's actually still going. It looks like maybe the sapphire is a little dirty on it, although that is just from the resting of it on this felt. The lighting in here sucks, as you can see, but here we go. Wow. So there we get some light on it. It really shines. Oh my goodness. And I can't wait to get this on the wrist, but everything about this just screams Presage and Seiko. Wow. Wow. I'm going to get some light on the subject here, and we're going to revisit this. I'm in awe. So we've got some light on the Seiko here. I kind of want to zoom in. Of course, I need to clean the sapphire off here. But you can see, if you're looking at this here, the actual dial and the indices share the same texture. So they're kind of that, oh gosh, how would you say, pressed texture, rough pressed texture. And oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. I'm at a loss for words. Okay, so we're going to go through. I want to make sure I'm conveying the right information here about the Presage. So the case dimensions here, I'm a little worried. The diameter is 41.7. So again, if it doesn't work, I will get rid of it. but you can see here before I even try it on, I do have smaller wrists, so we're going to see if this watch actually looks good. But that being 41.7 millimeters, the thickness is 11.74 millimeters. The case is stainless steel. The crystal is a dual curved sapphire crystal, so you don't get the typical hard Lex that my other Seikos have. You get the dual curved sapphire crystal, which you can kind of see at an angle here. You have a 3-bar, 30 meters, which is 100 feet water resistance. The dial color, of course, is that light ice blue. And the strap is, of course, the stainless steel, which is actually kind of a chromy color here. I do want to compare this to my Notice. And you can see the strap is a little bit more loose. So there's a little bit of play in the strap when I'm messing with it. So a lot of people gripe about this watch here because it's got the 4R35 movement in it, which actually my other Seikos do as well, an SRPJ 11, and I think an SRPH33 have the 4R35 movements in it. So you get 21,600 vibrations per hour, 23 joules, and a power reserve approximately of 41 hours. So very similar to the Seikos that I already have. Oh gosh, that watch is amazing. So that's basically what they give you. It's US exclusive. It's a Presage Japanese Garden Collection. So it's not super rare. I do have my eyes on a SARX, the SARX 055 right now, which I may have to pick up after seeing this one. It's inspired by the serenity of the Japanese garden. It's a fine mechanical watchmaking from Japan. Blah, 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 blah. Excuse me. So that's basically what they give you. There are adjustments, of course, with the strap. I don't believe this has any micro adjustments, so we'll see how this fits onto my wrist here once I get it on the wrist. But you can see there's really no scratches, on the watch here. I do have to clean that off a little bit, but I'm just at awe with the dial here, especially if we get some of that outside light. Really looks amazing. The indices are exceptional with oh my gosh, this is again just gorgeous. With the almost the pressed feeling of the dial with the indices, they match. You can see there's a little bit of smooth stainless on the side of the indices, and then on the top it's more of that pressed. The actual second hand, although it looks black, it is a dark blue. And the, oh yes, the cat even likes it. The hour and minute hands are silver. So we're going to adjust this here, and I'm going to get this on the wrist here next. All right, so we're actually going to conclude the video. I'm going to take this in to get it fitted for me. And from then on, I will finish up the review. But this will just be the unboxing of the SRPF53. So when I actually did put it on my wrist, I didn't notice anything out of the ordinary here. And here, if we get it on the wrist, we'll just slide it on there best that we can. So it truly doesn't look that big on the wrist. I have about a 6.5 to 6 3/4 inch wrist. And just like the diameter, yeah, is a little bit bigger, but the actual case size from lug to lug isn't that bad. So this is an everyday wearable watch that for the money you can't go wrong with. I mean, this watch is just fantastic, and it looks fantastic on the wrist as well. So am I happy with it? Yes. Do I want to get more Seiko Presages? Yes. This can be an everyday watch, a little bit on the dressier side, of course, as it is a dress watch. But I wouldn't be afraid to wear this if I was going out, on a date or just even out town with my girlfriend. I would have no problem wearing it. So very happy with it. A true unboxing here. I am just infatuated with watches, and especially these Seikos. This is my third one in my 6-watch collection, so I love Seiko. I just love this Presage. SRPF53, you cannot go wrong.